These vertical transitions presets will work on Premiere Pro 2018 or above versions. You can download the preset pack from the link in the description. Let me show you how to use these transitions. Open Premiere Pro. Let's create a new sequence. Go to Sequence Setting. Change video frame size 1080 into 1920. Import vertical images or video clips and place it on the timeline. I am scaling images down. Nest images. Now let's import Transitions Presets pack. Go to Effects panel. Right-click, Import Presets. Here presets are imported. Let me show you how to use these action transitions. Go 10 frames back from middle. Take razor tool and cut here. Now go 20 frames forward from here and cut clip. Apply out transition to first cut clip and in transition to second cut clip. These pan shake transitions will work in same way. To see the preview, we will have to render sequence. Spin transitions and stripe transitions will work in same way. For rolling and twirl transitions, we will have to take adjustment layer. Place adjustment layer like that. Make adjustment layer 20 frames long. Now apply transitions directly on the adjustment layer. Twirl transitions will work in same way. That's it. Thanks for watching.